Hey Rosegold babes, welcome back to my channel. Before getting into the actual video, we're going to be unboxing the Nikiss hair that I received. It's an 8-inch wig, deep curly Brazilian. Don't mind the mess on the box. They had my address on it, so I decided to peel it off because I didn't want everybody knowing my address, of course. But opening the box, there's the wig in plastic and a blue, is it satin? A satin bag or whatever you want to call it. And then it came with the wig cap and elastic band. It's 2 pieces in there. Then there's the elastic band. I'm not going to talk too much. I'm just going to let the video play. And yeah, enjoy. Then here's me opening up the wig. It's going to be so beautiful once it come out the plastic. It's so curly and the lace is bomb. Even my stylist that bleached my knot said the lace was bomb. The lace is bomb. If you haven't already, go cop Nikiss hair. And by the way, the wig was under $70, you guys. Hey Rosegold babes, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rosegold. Tay, whatever you want to say, it don't matter. Or you can just call me Tay. But welcome back. If you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, what's good? What's popping? What's good? What's popping? And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell right next to it so you can be notified for when I post new videos. But in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a review on this wig I received from Amazon. And y'all, I love it. I'm not even lying. Like, I love it. Just imagine how it will look with a longer edge. Just imagine. And it's not even really wet right now. But look at the curls, look at the curls. Let's get into 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 it. Okay, honey, period, okay? I'm trying to see how I want to have my lighting throughout the whole video. I don't know if I should keep it like dark like this or light. I kind of like this. I don't know. What y'all think? Okay, so I received this wig from Amazon from Nikiss hair. It came in a black box. I'm pretty sure you've seen it in the previous clips because I'm going to insert clips in the video of the whole process of me unboxing and things like that. And this is going to be my whole review on the hair, but I really do love it. I wonder if I can do like a half up, half down look. I'm not sure. But y'all, the hair is not really wet. Okay, yes, I received it from Amazon for up under $70. It wasn't 70, it was up under. Like, you can't beat that. It's an 8-inch wig and it's like the natural black or natural brown color, and I love it. It's so pretty. I can wet it and show y'all like how it would look like really wet. I'm trying to it's taking me some time to get used to because y'all haven't had my hair done in a minute. And y'all would know that if y'all watch all my recent videos. I've been wearing my real hair. I love this hair. I love how deep the curls are. And I just love how natural it looks. And when she applied my lace, I'm going to show y'all in a couple clips. Like, it's going to be before we get into this part. So just disregard me doing all this explaining and things like that. So yeah, the lace was very good. It bleached well, she said, because she bleached it for me. Like, you could barely like see like a lace line. So yeah, that's another thing. It just looks natural. I love it. And if you know me, I'm a big fan of curly hair. A very big fan. And it's so moving and shaky. I love it. I don't know if I like the wet look or just like the dry, like poofy look. I'm not sure yet, y'all. I'm so in love. It's not much to say because it's a good wig, so it's not really that much bad things to say about it. I just wish I got a longer length. That's about it. But everything else about the wig is awesome. I recommend for people to buy it because it's good at maintaining. All I did was put water and mousse. I used the, is it called Lotto? I'm not sure. But yeah, I just used water and mousse and that was it, and it came like this. But if you want the real wet look, then you probably could still use the same steps but a little bit more. But I didn't like, it's just like a damp wet. It's rarely wet. It's mainly dry now. And excuse my wrinkly backdrop. This hair is Nikiss hair. I think I said it right. Nikiss hair. But like I said, I recommend people to get it because it's good hair and the curls are popping. It's not like no ugly type of curl. I love this curl. It's really pretty. Y'all hear me saying the same thing over and over because like it's nothing to say bad about it. It was a little shedding but not much. This wig is just bomb. Go cop it. The link will be down below in the description box. Like, what are you waiting on? You cannot beat a wig under $70. Like, you can't. And then it's good quality hair and all of that. So Go get your Nikiss wig, okay, ladies? Go get it. And that's all I'm going to say. Look how bouncy my earring vinegar and shaky it is. Like, look at this. I love it. It look natural and it just look like me. It looks like me, okay? Shout out to Maya Taylor. I'll enter her name somewhere on the screen. If you are located in Orlando, Florida, make sure you go get your hair done by my girl Maya Taylor, okay, honey? Period. And that's just that on that. Look how easy it is to just use your fingers to get through it. I'm gonna make sure I go cop a longer inch because I love the way the curls are. So stay tuned for that video. And that was it for my little mini review. It wasn't nothing major. It was just a small mini review. I love the wig. It's great quality. That's all I have to say about this wig. Go cop Nikiss hair from Amazon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post new videos. We on the road to 1K. I bet we hit it by this weekend. I'm gonna do like a whole mini photo shoot at my house. Okay, honey, we're gonna have the whole set up. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out.